Hello students, in this lecture I will explain you what is friend function and how we can implement friend function in our program. So friend function is a function that is specified outside a class but has the ability to access the class members. That means the friend function is not the member of class, and a friend function can have ability to access private and protected member of the class. A friend function can be members function, function template or function, or a class or class template, in which case the entire class and all its members are friends. Suppose that we have declared a friend class, in that case the all members of the class will be friend of another class. So we can have friend function, friend class both. Okay, so here we are going to create our first friend function. So for that we need to create a class. So we have a class test, and the class test has a private member a equal to 10. So we are not using any access specifier here because that a is private in the test class, and if we do not specify any access specifier while creating or while declaring a variable within the class, in that case the by default access specifier is private, so our a is private here. And suppose if I want to access a from our main function, so first we are going to access class member. So class member can be accessed using object only. So for that we need to create an object of the test class. So we have a obj object of the test class, and I'm accessing the a member from the test class. So for that we will have to write like we need to use object of that class and the dot member access operator and the member name. So it will this line will print the value of a on the console. So let execute this line, this code. So here I am getting an error, and that is test class member a is private within this context. So a is private and we cannot access a outside the class. However, we cannot access a by using object of that class. So if we want to access private member of the class, then we have two things that we can do. First thing is that we can make a as public member, or another thing is that we can leave it as private and we can access that member using the friend function. So suppose that if I am specifying a as public here, so we can access because public member are accessible outside the class and data are available for everyone. So now the output is 10. Suppose that this function is private only, this member is private only, and we want to access it from a main function. So in that case we need to make function as friend of the test class. So for that we have to write signature of main function, and we need to use friend keyword here. Now the main function is the friend of test class, and we can access private and protected member of class test by using this friend function, and the main is the friend function. So now we won't get any error and our program will be executed successfully, and we got output 10. So we can make any function as friend of the class. Suppose that we have an user defined function, so that is the friend of test class, and we are not accessing a from here. We are creating now show function because show is declared within the test class, but we do not have show definition. So we will write show definition here. Void show, and we are doing the same thing. First, we are creating object of the test class obj, and this object is not required here because we are not going to access a from main function, and from here we will access a. So I will write object name, then member access operator dot, and the member name. So how we can call show function? Show function can be called from main only because program will execute from main, and we need to call show function from main. And show is declared within the test class but not the part of test class, so we do not require to access it by using object of test class. We can directly call show function. So we will write this way, so at semicolon, and this line will call the show function, and in the show function we are creating an object of test class, and show is friend of the test class, so it will access the private member a of test class and will print the value of a. So here you can see we have got 10 as an output. So in this way we can create we can create friend function, and we can use friend function for accessing private and protected member. Suppose that the member are protected, we will use here protected keyword. Now run the program, and we got output 10. So we can, by using friend function, we can access private and protected member both. So thank you so much for watching this video.